We learn through stories.
Through science.
Through language.
Through technology.
And song.
Rydyn ni'n dysgu am Gymraeg.
We learn in English.
And all in our own way.
We learn from each other.
Teaching through connection.
With creativity and care.
Adnodd has been shaped by teachers, learners and all the people who have supported them across Wales.
We listen to what matters and we work with the education sector to create bilingual resources that build literacy, nurture well-being and embed anti-racism in every classroom.
We want to spark a lifelong love of learning.
Helping classrooms adapt and learners feel inspired.
Our strategy is built on collaboration.
And designed to grow alongside the curriculum for Wales.
This is more than a document. It is a shared commitment to learning, to Wales, and to each other.
This is our future. This is learning in Wales.
Learn more about our strategy and the future of learning in Wales.
Search Adnodd.